I think it's like 7 or 7:30 at night here. So, good morning though, if it's morning where you're at. So we've got these two prepped. Set these aside. I'll go ahead and flip this side here real quick. So that's good. Go ahead and get our spacers in here. And the reason the spacers in is because we have panels rattling around. So these rubber balls here, I'll show you. See these little rubber balls. I just threw one across the floor. Keep their panels nice and snug over there. So now, do we have any guesses as to what the color is on this? I know the color because I went out to the customer's house and we're matching their kitchen cabinets. What color are we going to stain these oak cabinets? Drop your guess in the comments. We're going to shoot some glue in this one here. Slide that in. So that's up for just a second. The panel's going to feed in that spot just like so. Keep it nice and snug on that one. And now we're going to flip this up. Do a little bit of glue in there. Slide our top rail in. So there. That end's good, so we're going to get our tape measure here and make sure our length is right because we want to keep this thing going square. If we are doggone close there, we're dead on the money there. So get back this one just a skosh. So we're going to take our block, just tap it out. Touch. Right. There we go. You've got them lined up correctly is this right here. So on the top piece, the wood here, this is your back edge, that's your front edge. Bottom piece, this is your front edge, that's your back edge. And that is the difference in them. So also, what I'm doing here is I'm running, since you're interactive, I'm running a piece of scrap 1x with some sandpaper to just gently chamfer that inside edge so I don't have any bridging when they're finished.